So I've been struggling with sharing. We've recently gained traction and are followed by a lot of other makers who have now knocked off what we're doing. Oh, no. Okay, let's call that out. Everybody has this fear. I was on a podcast, a stationary podcast a couple months back, and they were saying that they were nervous to put their ideas and their designs on Pinterest because they didn't want people stealing them. Let's park it. People are going to steal your shit no matter what, okay? Whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on your website, whether it's on Pinterest, whether it's on YouTube. Nothing in the world is new. We are all copying some shit from somewhere else, right? Think about it. So you can either say, I'm not going to share anything because I don't want anybody to steal it. And you do yourself a disservice and let the person that's stealing your shit post all of it. Or you can say, I'm going to do the best I can because nobody does it like I do. I do it better than them. They can knock me off all day, but I'm already 10 steps ahead. I'm creating new shit. So by the time they copy me, I'm already creating the next best thing. Go in, get your superpower, and pull your big girl panties up and go. Start showing up no matter what. Do not let the fear of somebody copying you stop you. Because look at, I'm not the only one with shirts. Am I? No. So I can either choose, I'm not going to share my design. I'm not going to share my designs. What if somebody steals it? No. Nobody's going to do it like me. I know that I have a great product. I know that I put research into finding this product, right? I know that I'm going to give my customer the best I have. If it is not something that I actually love, I won't share it. So go in, know that you are the best at what you do. I've seen your work, coded and engraved. I've seen your work. You are fabulous. Own your shit. I just don't know what to share now. I want to share. Share what lights you up. Go in here. Here's a little tip. Go to your Instagram profile and you're going to say, go into your insights. You're going to click most likes, most saves, and most commented. And then Instagram is going to show you what your most popular content is. That is how I came up with my Pinterest course, because I went into my insights and I checked all of my posts that had the highest saves. And guess what they were? Pinterest. So what did I do? I listened to what my customer wanted and I created a course to serve my customer. Over 90% of the people that watch my content were saving the Pinterest posts. That was my audience telling me. So if you go in, check your insights, and they're saying, we like this picture, or this thing, double down and create more. Because that's your audience telling you, hey, this is what we want to see. This is where you break the barrier of creating products that you want versus creating the products that your customer wants. That is something that I had to learn the hard way with the boutique. I'm gonna be real with you. I created the boutique because I thought that's what people wanted. And nobody wanted it. They wanted the shirts. I sold out of the shirts month after month after month, or week after week. I didn't even wait months because that shit was obvious. So I created my own shirts because my customer was telling me, hey, we like your style. We just don't want to buy it from you. And I was like, okay, the boutique's done. We're going on shirts. And look at, my business has been drastically different ever since. The shirts have gotten me to where I am today. But if I didn't listen and I kept creating the boutique and I'm like, please buy it. Look at this sweater. Look at these pants. And the people would have been like, nah, girl, no. I could just still be forcing it. But I was aware and I said, okay, let me look at my insights. Let me look at what my audience is telling me. Let me listen, get away from me, and stop trying to serve me and serve my audience. And they will tell you exactly what they want from you. I know this is super woo-woo, but you are special. You have something that other people don't. I am not the only person that knows how to do Pinterest. I am not the only person that does lives. I'm not the only person that has an online community. I'm not the only person that creates shirts. But I do it to the best of my abilities, and I know that people are either going to resonate with me or they're not. You either like your girlfriend Renee or you're like, that bitch is extra, I can't handle it, and you leave. And that is okay. I'm not here to serve everybody. I think I'm for everybody, obviously. I mean, I have keychains with my face on it. But I know people don't resonate with that, and that is okay. But all I do is serve the people that do. Done. Am I right? Right. Okay. I hope this helped you guys.